Better flow. Rear flow. At highway speeds, the back of a trailer acts like a giant air brake. Its flat surface creates a drag-inducing vacuum that wastes fuel and energy. The better flow rear flow system is designed to change that with smart, automatic aerodynamics. This clever setup features rear-mounted flaps that deploy automatically once the vehicle reaches about 37 miles per hour, then retract below 34 miles per hour. No driver input needed. When open, the flaps smooth out the airflow behind the trailer, reducing the turbulent air pocket that slows it down. The result? A 9% drop in aerodynamic drag, leading to impressive fuel savings. Real-world fleet testing across 2.5 million miles showed reductions of 1.5 to 1.8 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, and in perfect conditions, savings can hit 2 liters. Despite its high-tech function, the rear flow system stays completely out of the way when not in use. It folds flat for easy loading, docking, or intermodal transport, keeping the trailer's original shape and compatibility intact. By blending automation with aerodynamic intelligence, the better flow rear flow helps fleets cut fuel costs, lower emissions, and make every mile count. Elphinstone Fold A-Scale. Meet the Elphinstone Fold A-Scale, a brilliant innovation built for smarter timber transport. First launched in 2021, this folding trailer was designed to tackle one of the biggest challenges in long-distance hauling: wasted space on return trips. Its standout feature is simple yet genius. The rear section folds neatly over the front, cutting the trailer's length from 46 feet down to just 23 feet. This compact design allows operators to transport multiple empty trailers together, saving both time and fuel on the way back. Built from high-strength, lightweight steel, the Fold A-Scale delivers durability without unnecessary bulk. Depending on configuration, it weighs between 12,800 and 13,600 pounds, yet it can carry up to 66,000 pounds of timber with confidence. A tri-axle system with air suspension ensures smooth handling and even load distribution on rough roads. The trailer also includes modern braking systems with electronic and anti-lock features for maximum safety. Folding or unfolding takes under 5 minutes and can be done right from the cab or manually outside. Once secured, locking mechanisms hold everything firmly in place. XDayCom 90. Imagine securing an entire load of timber without ever stepping out of your truck. That's exactly what the XDayCom 90 system makes possible. This smart hydraulic machine automatically locks down logs on a truck, keeping them stable and safe during transport. Traditionally, drivers had to toss heavy chains or straps over the load, tightening them by hand, a slow and risky process, especially in harsh weather. But with the XDayCom 90, all that's history. Using powerful hydraulic arms and metal stakes, the system grips and secures the logs with just a press of a button. It even keeps monitoring the pressure as you drive, automatically tightening if the load shifts or settles. When the truck's empty, the stakes fold down to reduce drag and wear. It's connected to the truck's onboard system too, so drivers get instant alerts if something's off, like low pressure or oil levels. This isn't just automation, it's safety, speed, and precision working together to redefine timber transport. Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle. When it comes to hauling massive loads, few trailers can compete with the Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle. Built for serious jobs, this powerhouse can carry up to *55 tons, or about 110,000 pounds, of heavy construction machinery with ease. Stretching nearly 57 feet long and 8 feet wide, it's crafted from high-strength T1 steel with 16-inch beams, side rails, and tightly spaced crossmembers for unbeatable durability. Its hardwood deck can also be upgraded to a composite surface, depending on the job. What makes it stand out is its flip axle system. The trailer runs on 3 fixed axles and a 4th that hydraulically folds down when extra support is needed, then tucks away to shorten the trailer for lighter hauls. Each axle handles about 25,000 pounds, with air ride suspension and large brakes keeping things stable on the move. The system runs through hydraulics powered either by a small Honda gas motor or the towing vehicle itself. Add in LED lighting, labeled air hoses, adjustable ride height, and a rugged powder coat finish, and you've got a trailer built to endure anything the road throws at it. Yoast KKS. Meet the Yoast KKS, a game-changing system that's redefining how trucks connect to trailers. What once took several minutes, and a lot of physical effort, can now be done in half the time, with the driver never leaving the cab. Normally, drivers have to step out, hook up air and electrical cables, crank the landing legs, and manually lock the fifth wheel. The Yoast KKS eliminates all that. With just a remote control, the driver can automatically lock the fifth wheel, connect all air and electrical lines, and adjust the trailer legs with total precision. At the heart of this setup is the KKS 42 fifth wheel, a rugged 2-inch cast steel coupling built on Yoast trusted JSK technology. Beneath the trailer, a smart connector links air, electrical, and braking systems automatically, ready even for future configurations. Multiple sensors ensure every connection is perfect, verifying the kingpin engagement, plate contact, and wheel lock before the truck moves. The remote instantly displays feedback from these sensors, keeping drivers informed and confident. With its optional Lubtronic automatic greasing system, the Yoast KKS takes convenience one step further. This is modern trucking, faster, safer, and smarter than ever before. Railgate. When it comes to heavy lifting, the Railgate hydraulic lift is built to outperform the rest. Designed for trucks that handle demanding jobs all day long, this system can raise loads of up to 3,000 pounds, far more than most standard liftgates on the market. Using it couldn't be easier. Just load your cargo onto the platform at ground level, press a button, and the Railgate smoothly lifts it to the truck bed, ready for unloading or transport. The platform comes in multiple sizes, from 36 to 55 inches deep, and includes a slope section for effortless loading. It can stretch up to 89 inches wide for trucks measuring 96 inches across, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Instead of sliding parts that wear down quickly, the Railgate uses hardened steel rollers with sealed ball bearings for smoother motion and long-term reliability. A leaf chain drive system keeps everything aligned under heavy use, powered by a single hydraulic cylinder tucked safely inside the frame. With built-in pressure controls, automatic power shutoff, and weatherproof wiring, the Railgate delivers unmatched strength, safety, and endurance, perfect for anyone who lifts heavy, day after day. Z-Trailers. Meet the Z-Trailer, a versatile flatbed that takes cargo hauling to the next level. Unlike traditional trailers, this one can tip to either side, making unloading faster and more convenient, especially in tight spaces or roadside areas. Its removable sidewalls, about 31 inches high, give it flexibility for any job. Keep them on for sand or soil, or remove them for larger, bulkier items. Built with a durable steel or aluminum frame, the Z-Trailer is engineered for long-term road use. Depending on the model, it can handle loads between 5,950 and 7,700 pounds, with an empty weight of roughly 1,760 pounds. A hydraulic or mechanical system powers its smooth tipping action, while tie-down points ensure everything stays secure on the move. For added safety, it features an overrun braking system, and users can add ramps or extended lights as optional extras. Strong, adaptable, and efficient, the Z-Trailer proves that smart design can make heavy work feel effortless. Stone Ridge Side Eye. Blind spots are one of the biggest dangers for large vehicles, especially in city traffic. The Stone Ridge Side Eye steps in to change that, using smart radar and camera technology to help drivers see what they normally can't. Designed for trucks, buses, and other large vehicles, the Side Eye system constantly monitors the passenger side blind zone. A 24 GHz radar sensor detects movement, while a compact camera gives the driver a clear visual feed on a monitor inside the cab. If a cyclist, pedestrian, or object appears, the system instantly triggers both visual and audible alerts, warning the driver before it's too late. The reaction time is lightning fast, under 300 milliseconds, providing near-instant awareness in busy or unpredictable environments. Built to handle real-world conditions, both the radar and camera are sealed against dust, water, and road debris, meeting strict durability standards. Powered by a simple DC setup, the components are lightweight and easy to install. With Side Eye watching the blind spot, drivers gain the confidence to maneuver safely, protecting lives and preventing accidents with every turn. Rail Cleaning Vehicle. City tram tracks may look clean, but dirt, leaves, and debris can build up in the rail grooves where the tram wheels run, and that buildup can cause serious issues or even accidents. That's why the rail cleaning vehicle exists, a powerful, road and rail machine designed to keep urban tracks spotless and safe. What makes it special is its dual-mode design. It can drive like a regular truck on city streets at up to 56 miles per hour, then switch to rail mode and cruise along tram tracks at around 31 miles per hour. This flexibility means it can easily reach any section of track without needing a separate transport vehicle. Once it's on the rails, it goes to work automatically, scrubbing the grooves, vacuuming debris, and washing the surface. A massive onboard water tank holding over 1,000 gallons allows long cleaning sessions without refilling. Inside, there's space for a small crew, and hybrid electric versions make it quiet and emission-free, ideal for tunnels or dense city zones. Efficient, versatile, and eco-friendly, this vehicle keeps tram networks running smoothly while helping cities stay cleaner and safer. Robson Drive System. When heavy forestry trailers hit muddy tracks or snowy slopes, getting stuck is often part of the job. But the Robson Drive System changes that. This clever mechanism gives trailers an instant traction boost, right when they need it most, without adding complex parts or heavy machinery. At the heart of the system is a hydraulically powered roller that presses against the trailer's wheels to help them turn. When traction drops, the roller automatically engages, transferring power directly from the tractor's hydraulic motor or power takeoff. Once the terrain smooths out, it disengages just as easily, letting the wheels roll freely again. It's a simple yet brilliant design, offering extra grip without the need for a full drive axle setup. Positioned near the heaviest section of the trailer, the system works best in mud, snow, or steep ground, ensuring better control and stability. Used on trailers carrying 10 to 14 tons, the Robson Drive System not only prevents wheel slip but also helps haul more logs or equipment safely. It's a practical upgrade that makes forestry transport smoother, smarter, and far more efficient in the toughest off-road conditions. X9. Smart Self-Driving Yard Truck. In France, a German tech company is testing the X9, a fully electric self-driving yard truck built to move trailers and containers without a driver. Using cameras, radar, and ultrasound, it detects obstacles, plans routes, and can automatically connect or disconnect trailers. Linked to a central control system via 5G and V2X, operators can monitor and control it remotely when needed. Many X9s are converted from diesel yard tractors, making them cleaner and more efficient. Before use, a digital map of the yard is created to guide safe, optimized movement. During trials with DHL, the EX9 improved preloading speed by 20% and reduced carbon emissions by over 90%, proving its potential to make logistics safer, faster, and far more sustainable. Smartwire Max XL. Long-haul driving can be exhausting, and fatigue behind the wheel is one of the biggest dangers on the road. That's why the Smartwire Max XL sleeper cabin was created, to give truck drivers the rest and comfort they need without compromising vehicle performance. Mounted neatly on top of a van or truck, this aerodynamic cabin adds just 3 extra inches of height but transforms the interior into a cozy, private sleeping space. Inside, drivers get a flat, comfortable bed that stretches about 84 inches long and 38 inches wide, offering enough room to stretch out fully. The clever design extends both the upper and lower sections of the cabin, adding up to over 4 feet of extra usable length. Every detail inside is built for comfort and practicality. Air vents in the ceiling keep the air fresh, a reading lamp offers soft light for nighttime breaks, and dual-opening side windows bring in natural airflow. On the outside, its smooth roofline design isn't just for looks. It helps reduce air resistance, improving fuel efficiency during long hauls. The Smartwire Max XL isn't just a sleeper cabin, it's a smart upgrade that helps drivers rest better, stay alert, and drive safer.